Right then, this is my camper van battery setup. What I've got is two 12-volt leisure batteries. I've got one live going over to my control panel over there, where it's heating and everything. The other one, negative, goes straight over the back of the batteries onto let me see it in there, onto a clamp onto the body of the van. I've got a fuse between the two batteries. Just for safety. I've got another wire going out that goes to a relay, and I'll show you that now. Right, this is a relay. I've got the battery in the van coming here, this top one, and then I've got the bottom one going to a cranking battery over there. And what happens is when the engine's up and running, the alternator has a little 12-volt wire on it. I've got connected a brown wire to it. It comes all the way up onto your live on your relay, and the negative is just a negative. So when the van's up and running, it switches the relay, turns the alternator on. It also links the two batteries together. So batteries in the van are connected to the main one when the engine's running. It means that the alternator charges all three batteries. There's a 110 amp alternator, so it won't be powerful enough. I also run my inverter coming off the auxiliary battery in the van. I think it's up to that top wire there. You can see that. And that seems to all work fine. That's my inverter, 500 watts. Right, as for the batteries, I put a elastic strap round, put it through the wood into the floor. On the other side, I've got another one that hooks onto the clamp that holds the negative on, and I don't have to worry about the fumes from the battery when it's charging, because we had these in caravans before. It never made any smell out, and you know it's by the eggy smell what comes off them if it's building up. And if so, I'm going to put a fan in here if I need to, but the van will be plenty ventilated by fans and windows. This is where the negative clamps onto the body, and that elastic strap hooks onto there as well. And this is my control panel. I've got my batteries inside the van connected to the van, and the cranking battery is on cart, so it all works right. I have running water. I also use this van as a work van, so I've got my tools in here as well. I've got a fridge, water boilers underneath the van, water tanks under the van. I've got my shower. I've got a fiberglass shower tray. I made out of roofing fiberglass. I've got a portable toilet, shower. I brought this plastic lining wallpaper, which is waterproof, but after a couple of weeks it started peeling off again, so it's not very sticky. It also bubbles up, so I might have to change that at some point. Right, this is a double bunk bed, what I made from children to sleep on, and the table on the back door there will go down middle, need two benches which is all junked up, and that will make the double bed on the bottom, so four of us can sleep here. I also built these benches here, put 3 doors on for seating, but when travelling people like to sit on the side seats, are more comfy. The boards that will hold that up will be connected to the ceiling when I finish, so that'll make lots more room. I've got an extra table there, which I think are connecting to the side door, onto here. So when the door's shut, we can fold it down. It'll be in front of the fridge then. Gas bottle goes in this bottom cupboard, which I can't get to. Pipes and stuff, all sorts in there. So I'll do another video of the van when I get it completed. But that's all for now. Bye.